Hi, I'm going to do Smoke Gets in Your Eyes from the show Roberta, I believe it is. And it's a really good song, and I love it a lot. And it's a little bit low for me, but then it goes higher, so it should be good. They asked me how I knew my true love was true. I, of course, replied, something here inside cannot be denied. They said someday you'll find all who love are blind. When your heart's on fire, you must realize smoke gets in your eyes. So I chuffed them and I gaily laughed to think they could doubt my love. But today my love has flown away. I am without my love. Now laughing friends deride the tears I cannot hide.